With my accident, I got T-boned for the first one. It was definitely scared, changed my whole life, and just made me have a whole different perspective on how I appreciate life now. I hurt every day. I go to doctor after doctor, get procedure after procedure, surgery after surgery, and I've just been living, trying to enjoy my life as best as I can. For the second one, I got hit from the back. Definitely, there you go, woke me up again. Realized you can't take life for granted. Changed my life even worse, how it's starting to hurt more and just everything like that. I heard about you, I got recommended from somebody, but I think it was like another law firm who recommended you guys. And you guys have been great. It's been great. I love everybody, especially Roberto. He's always been great in helping me with everything, step by step, taking time with me whenever I need it, giving me always callbacks. Especially his new assistant. She's been great. She just helped me, broke down everything. She's been great. She handled it so much. She got all the medical bill reductions for me, called the doctors, putting that overtime for me, and I highly appreciate that. It changed my life. 100%, more than 100%. Honestly, I'm highly satisfied. Yes, it was a long process, 4 years, but honestly, they stuck with me. I know there's little ups and downs here and there, but that's part of every case. But they always contacted me and reached out to me and told me, hey, we're trying our best, and that's all they could do, and I appreciate that a lot. Roberto and Victoria are great. They changed my life forever, and I am deeply appreciate them and in debt. Thank you.